What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect your Printify account to a Shopify store in order to set a print-on-demand business. So print-on-demand is basically where you go to Printify and select a product, let's say t-shirt, and you can upload your own designs and you can list them on Shopify. And once you get an order on Shopify, Printify will print the design on demand, so you don't have to have inventory of the product, and it'll ship it. Printify will ship it to your customer. So what you need to do is go to Shopify, go to settings right here, and then copy your store's URL or address, and then go to Printify, click on the stores right here, and these are some stores that I added in the past. Click on add new store, and then click Shopify, paste the link right here, click on connect, and you'll be redirected to install the Printify app on your Shopify store. Okay, so here it's installed. You need to sign in with your Printify username and password, our email, and password. So I'll just enter the email password, click on sign up, and now my Printify account is connected to my Shopify store, and I can go to the products on Printify and list them or create new products, and they'll be listed here on my Shopify store.